Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan here. I'm a stay-at-home mom of my 14-month-old daughter Amelia, and here on my channel we focus on all things mom life, and today I have a bunch of laundry to do and a ton of clean clothes to fold. So let's go ahead and get started. Today I am starting with my daughter's clothes first. I do still wash them separately, and I'm just checking to see if there's anything that I have to turn inside out to wash, depending on the material. And then the non-play clothes I check for stains, but it didn't matter today because I am all out of stain remover anyway. You can see here that we have hard water, which is very frustrating because no matter what I have tried, I still get hard water spots. But currently just using extra soap, plant-based soap with vinegar in the fabric softener section in hopes that this helps. But I did just recently discover a new soap on Amazon. I'll post a picture here. So I'm going to give that a try. And if you have heavy water, I always wash in heavy duty because you need more soap and more power to try to get your clothes clean. Next, I'm just going to bring out the 2 laundry baskets full of clean clothes, sort them, which I did remove from this video only because I forgot to remove our undergarments and stuff. So after sorting them, I just try to use the Marie Kondo method as much as possible with folding because it really saves space and we have a ton of clothes.
Es que a ti te pienso tanto, no creo que solo sea amor. Por ti, baby, doy el mundo y la mitad en mi corazón. Baby, tú y yo, queriéndonos, sintiéndonos. Hazme el amor, y el que tanto dice tenerme. Hazme el amor, pa' que matemos la curiosidad. Tú sabes mejor que esos besos son los que dan suerte. Hazme el amor, olvidarnos de nuestra realidad. Yeah, te conozco poco y me provoca tanto cuando estamos en la cama. Esas ganas de hoy que nos tenemos no se dejan pa' mañana. Mi color favorito es verte desnuda solita pa' mí. No estoy seguro si tú estás consciente que te adicto a querer de ti. Es que ya, baby, ¿qué se da? Será si es contigo, vamos al 100. Yeah. Hazme el amor, y el que tanto dice tenerme. Hazme el amor, pa' que matemos la curiosidad.
For the longest time, I always used to fold and wrap my socks, but now I just fold them in half because I've learned that doing it the other way, they get all stretched out and ruin the socks. And not only that, but I can put them in the dresser drawer nicer that way. I can go ahead and insert a little clip here for you to show you, but I dislike matching socks. Another tip for your family is buy all white socks and just keep one basket by your shoes. So all of you have your same socks and you don't have to worry about having individual socks and dividing them up and matching them because it's a lot easier. I brought out all the dirty clothes and divided them into our piles. So whites I separate because I use hot water and bleach. And then the next pile is all heavy material stuff, sweatshirts, sweatpants, jeans. And then the next pile is all workout clothes, t-shirts, the thinner type of material clothes. And I do this because the soap will go to the heavier material. So if I were to separate by colors and put t-shirts in with jeans that were the same color, all of the soap goes to the jeans and not the shirt. So this way has really helped. I've been doing it for about 2 years. And then in the back, I just throw like my hand towels, my e-cloths. This here is before of the little cabinet next to my washer and dryer. And I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this out.
When I look at you like that, you lose it completely. Losing track of space and time. I don't wanna go home looking for a reason to stay here all night. I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me and you, the way that you make me feel. You wonder if I feel the same, the blood's rushing through your veins. And then when I say your name, bet I'm everything.
Yeah. You say hi. Say hi. You happy? Yeah. You say hi to you too? Yeah. I'll be back.
You usually don't share any secrets. Suddenly you're an open book. When I struggle to find the words, you get me completely. It's like I've known you forever, so I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me and you, the way that you make me feel. You wonder if I feel the same, the blood's rushing through your veins. And then when I say your name.
All right, so please comment below if you are a person that cleans the dryer vent when the dryer is done or before you put the next load in. I usually do it before we put the next load in.
I'm everything you need. Bet I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling, don't wanna come down. Just go on and tell me, get into my eyes. I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling. Don't wanna come down, just go on and tell me, get into my eyes. I'm everything need. I'm everything you need. I'm everything you need.
So I'm gonna fold these. I have clothes on the drying rack, in the dryer, and the washer, just repeating the cycle continuously. If you're like me, laundry never ends, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we will see you in the next one.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.